What is the best way to wash Skechers shoes in a washing machine?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll talk about how to wash your Skechers shoes in a washing machine effectively and safely. This process is simple, but it needs to be done with care to ensure your shoes stay in good shape.
Should you machine wash your Skechers?
Before we get into the steps, it's important to confirm whether your Skechers are machine washable. Most Skechers with fabric uppers are indeed machine washable. But always check the care label or the product's website to make sure.
Preparing your shoes for washing.
First, remove the laces and insoles from your shoes. These parts should be washed separately to ensure they get thoroughly cleaned and to prevent damage to the shoe structure in the machine. Brush off any excess dirt from the shoes before placing them in the machine. This will help to prevent your washing machine from becoming dirty or clogged.
Setting up the washing machine.
When washing your Skechers in a machine, always use the gentle cycle to prevent damage to the shoes. Cold water is best as hot water could cause the shoes to shrink or warp. Also, consider using a mesh laundry bag for shoes to help protect them.
Choosing the right detergent.
Use a gentle detergent. It's important not to use any strong chemicals or bleach, which can discolor or damage the shoes. A small amount of detergent should be enough.
Drying your shoes.
After washing, never put your shoes in the dryer. This could cause them to shrink or warp. Instead, place them in a well-ventilated area to air dry. Stuffing the shoes with newspaper or white paper towels can help absorb excess water and maintain the shape of the shoes as they dry. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to washing your Skechers shoes in a washing machine. Remember, the key is to treat them gently and let them dry naturally. We hope this video has been helpful and will ensure your favorite Skechers stay clean and comfortable for a long time to come.